Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are a Firefox user, new version of Firefox web browser today, version 108, has now been released. So the Firefox browser, simply go into the upper right hamburger menu, go down to Help, About Firefox, and this will actually update your Firefox to 108.0. So what's new in the new browser of Firefox? First of all, there is a new way of getting the process manager, which is kind of the Firefox task manager, if you want. Now, if you actually use simply the Shift and Escape key when the Firefox browser is open, you will actually be able to access this. And here you go. This tells you what is actually using the CPU and so on. Every browser has its own little task manager if you want, so you can check it out. So new shortcut, Shift Escape, brings you here for the different processes. You also have now added bonus, so when you are using Firefox 108, you might remember that I talked about this. There's a new feature in Windows 11 called efficiency mode. Well, Windows efficiency mode works only on certain apps, not on everything. Notice here it has a little kind of green leaf. So this is Firefox, and you see that it does now have in its status the ability to use efficiency mode to use less power and resources. Firefox 108 adds support for color correcting images, which are the ICC-v4 images profiles. There's a improvement for PDF forms that now supports non-English characters, and fixes for the bookmarks toolbar. So basically default only show on new tab state now works correctly. So there was a bug in there that didn't work well. A little bit of under the hood stuff, but mainly the security vulnerabilities. There are several high and moderate severity security flaws that are fixed in Firefox 108. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 security flaws. So there are 9 security flaws that are fixed. There is arbitrary file read that can compromise content process. There is a drag and drop file names that could be truncated to malicious extensions. Download protections were bypassed by .atloc and ftploc files on the Mac OS. There's a full screen notification bypass. There's a memory safety bug. Several of them actually that are also fixed, so several security flaws fixed. So not only do you have a new browser, but you also have more security as the security flaws have been fixed. So check it out, Firefox 108, now available if you're a Firefox user. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.